Uh-oh.
What's up?
Stuff's going on.
Huh?
Stuff's going on in here. What are we doing?
Skid plates. Look under the front.
Yeah, that didn't take long. We went on our last trip and Dad had to turn back because
Rocks. That's because why? Rocks.
too big.
No like rocks.
Oh, so fancy. Not you. Not you, little dog. Is this just the first piece? Or
Yeah, you gotta go lower.
oh, I see. How many pieces?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece billet pens.
What kind did you buy?
RPM Bronco. It's 1/4 inch. It's actually very nice stuff.
Yeah.
Very happy with it. Yes, the way it fits.
It's going on under the rock sliders, or
I had to notch a rock slider for it, but it's gonna be fine. They gave this chintzy little nutsert that goes into the hole of the frame. And these are cheap. So I used a real nutsert and put it in there so we'll have an actual bolt and a quality attachment instead of this junk. But it's the only piece of junk that came with the kit. The rest of the kit's very good.
sweet. Corey got the front one on, but didn't continue on to the second one, because why?
It was muddy, so I washed it and then I left it alone.
You washed all our mud off?
Yeah.
Was it Arizona mud or Ocotillo mud?
I'm not really sure. It was just like tan, so I don't know where that came from. It wasn't like the red clay.
Hammers.
Oh, hammers?
Oh, I wasn't part of that.
Hammers mud.
Can't blame it on me.
Hammers mud.
What are we doing?
Figuring out how to put these brackets on the tank. To replace the old brackets to where they can bolt the skid plate on. But this one bolts underneath this side skid plate, so we're trying to figure that out. Probably gonna have to notch it. So, and then this one goes back here, up there.
Oh, it's way up here.
Just in case you're wondering, the maroon sweatshirts are not Flack-Ops gear. That's just from years and years and years and years of coaching at the high school.
Like this. That. So that is going to be the bracket comes across, bolts on the bracket, and then we're gonna have to we have to go through here
Oh.
for that, or underneath, or cut it like I did the other one.
This is gonna have to go too.
Definitely. Okay.
Notch.
Ah, nice. You think maybe Bo's hearing isn't so good? He doesn't care if he lays right there. Bo, what are you doing? Garden Dad.
Yeah.
Is
The
it- what you just made, right?
Yeah, the rock slides come in with a bracket that I installed, and the bracket goes on the frame right here. And I have to get another bracket for the tank up here, so I'm going to have to stack it on top of this, which I'm not that thrilled about. But it says 3/16 under it, holding it. This band comes out, but then this is still here.
Mm-hmm.
And so that other bracket is going to sit on top of it, which is going to leave a gap under the tank.
Is that good or bad?
How does that work?
We're stumped.
That's going to leave a 3/16.
There's smoke coming out of your guys' ears.
You know what we could do? We can go under it. Bolt it over? Yep, we can go right underneath it. This will slide underneath. Once I unbolt that, put it under, and then we'll put the bolt back on. It'll be fine. It's going to be great.
It's gonna be great.
It's going to be great. It'll sit on top. That tab will sit on top of this. Once we put that in there. Okay, so what are we talking? 17 millimeter maybe?
That?
Yeah, I think it's like 3/4.
17 looked too small.
I'm sure I'll try with these.
Can you get any closer to Dad? You just gonna put your stinky butt right there? Happy dog.
Hard to sneak this under here though.
What's on it? What's the matter with it?
It's got the Ford assembly juice that's made to never come off.
The super red. The super red Loctite.
Yeah. Red Ford assembly Loctite. Oh, dude.
Dirt you were talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Bro.
Yes.
Looks like clay.
Hey, be nice. Don't you show your teeth at me. What's wrong with him, Sasha? What's wrong with him?
Oh. Corey, you want to juice these for me?
Carry the juice around in your pocket. You're like the runner. Are you the errand boy today?
A little bit.
A little bit.
This helped.
Juice. How come it's not red?
It's blue.
Why?
This is less hold.
Is that good?
Yes.
Oh. Why?
Red means you don't want it to come off. Ever.
I know, but do you want it to come off?
Well,
If you need to take it out, sure.
blue will hold it fine.
Blue holds well, and you can take it out if you have to. Red just makes it really hard. Electric?
Yeah, I'm gonna need a long extension for this back one with a 18 millimeter 1/2-inch drive.
So when we were on that trail, you thought you were gonna rip your gas tank open?
Well, if you look here, I have like scrapes, like pretty deep gouges in the plastic, and I'm afraid that I'm gonna put a rock up through it, and then you're screwed.
And we were by ourselves.
Yeah.
Not smart.
So now you have skids, the whole belly pan skid to everything.
That means
Once this goes in, this will go all the way up to here, connect with all this, cover this, and then I have a diff skid that's going to cover the whole differential here and the yoke and everything.
and that means I'm not going to be able to chicken out the next time you want to go down a really rocky, steep trail. Because we're not going to turn around next time.
I just won't stress when I hear a rock go right. You see right there on that cross member, see that big bend right above your head?
I don't know.
Right here.
Okay.
Rock.
Oh.
For me it is.
We did that?
We did that.
For me it is.
Okay.
That's all you got for an 18 millimeter.
All right. We're gonna have to support the back of this tank.
All the damage is on your side of the car.
See, I told you he always goes on the worst side.
You're just not steering right.
On my side. He always puts me on the downside, the steep
rock
side, the
side.
rock side. That's a big piece.
Corey,
Yes.
pen please.
Huh?
Pen.
Pen.
Marker.
Marker. Media rod?
Yeah, go ahead. Here, just do the side check.
Are you the supervisor, Tessa?
She says I'm a smoocher. When he's down there, I smooch him.
Yeah, she thinks that if you lay on the ground, you're fair game.
She smells like bushes. She's been in the bushes. And I said, what bushes you been in?
She said, I just like to lay in the sunshine. Yeah, I do just like to lay in the sunshine. And you get your suntan on your belly.
Walmart. You're good.
Rear differential skid plate. So, it's gonna open here like this. That's where you can hit it on a rock if you need to. So it's going to be those 10 millimeter.
Isn't that the one that's always lost?
Yes.
Hit what?
Rocks. See, like there on my bottom of my shock, I've scraped it on the rocks pretty bad. So I'm gonna eventually put skids underneath there too.
This kit didn't come with it.
No, this was a belly kit.
Oh, well, I don't know. Did you just say?
I'm just gonna take it off some sweet jumps now.
No, we better not.
It's a sledgehammer.
It's a sledgehammer.